Don't let people to oppress you. Don't let people to depress you. Especially ladies and men. Let's just say all over. We women and boys. Please, most of the girls especially, their parents make them to be like this, depressing them up and down, because some of the parents call their daughters from November, telling them, if you are coming, you have to bring something that will make me happy. And it's making them depressing all the ladies. Yes, because they will do anything to just make the family be okay. See them up and down, walking up and down just to make them. Please, don't make person to oppress you and depress you in life. Better be who you are.